लवीना जी हैं ऑफिस में?
मैम तो आज बिजी हैं थोड़ा। मेरे को दिखाइए आप।
आप सीए हैं?
आज बन जाऊंगा सर होपफुली। अब बताइए ना, नोटिस दिखाइए।
एक घर खरीदा था, डाउन पेमेंट मैंने अपनी थोड़ी सेविंग्स थी उससे दे दी। बाकी की ईएमआई अभी भी चल रही है। ईमानदारी से जितना टैक्स बन रहा था सब भर दिया। अब अचानक से ये लोग 15 लाख फिर मांग रहे हैं।
सर आपका सेक्शन 144 लगा है। 55 लाख के फ्लैट की आपने 85 लाख की रजिस्ट्री करा रखी है, तो डिपार्टमेंट अब हिसाब मांग रहा है कि एडिशनल इनकम कहाँ से आई है।
अब
सिंपल सा केस है सर, आपकी रजिस्ट्री अमाउंट रीवैल्यूएट करवाएंगे। डिपार्टमेंट को एक रिस्पॉन्स फाइल करना होगा कि एडिशनल इनकम थी नहीं, तो एडिशनल अमाउंट में कोई टैक्स देना नहीं है। कुछ नहीं देना होगा सर।
कब तक हो जाएगा सर ये?
सर लेटर तो मैं 15 मिनट में ड्राफ्ट कर दूंगा, आपको सीए मैम का साइन नहीं मिल पाएगा।
तो सर आप ही कर दीजिए ना।
सर मैं सीए बना नहीं हूँ अभी तक, आप कल आ जाइए ना, कल मैं कर देता हूँ।
आज रिजल्ट है आपका?
हाँ जी।
कौन सा अटेम्प्ट है सर?
3rd अटेम्प्ट है सर। पिछली बार 2 मार्क्स से रह गया था, इस बार हो जाना चाहिए।
हो गया क्या? सिलेक्ट हो गए क्या आप?
हाँ विवेक।
हेलो भैया। भैया मेरा सीए फाउंडेशन क्लियर हो गया।
कांग्रेट्स विवेक, कांग्रेट्स।
थैंक यू भैया। अच्छा अब आगे का आपको ही गाइड करना है। भैया भैया
ऑफिस आ जाए यार, शाम में चाय पिलाता हूँ।
ओके भैया, मिलते हैं।
One of the toughest, most rigorous examinations of India. Check. Among the most respected and sought after professionals in business. Check. And signatures that carry more value than even our prime ministers. Check.
देश के प्रधानमंत्री के सिग्नेचर की वो ताकत नहीं है जो ताकत एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के सिग्नेचर की होती है।
I'm talking about chartered accountants or CAs, the backbone of every economy. As of this year, India has about 3.9 lakh registered CAs. Seems fair for a $4 trillion economy. 1 lakh CAs for every $1 trillion. By that logic, India will need 30 lakh CAs in the system to run the $30 trillion economy we aspire to be. But in 2024, till now, we've only added 20,446 new CAs to the system, from total registrations of 8 lakhs. The pass percentage is abysmally low. And even for those that graduate, we don't really have as many jobs anymore. The number of registrations have also seen a steady decline over the past decade. And owing to the layered and complicated nature of the entire process, an aspirant can remain stuck at one of these levels for years, with stipends as shockingly low as 2,000 rupees per month. Half CAs are the cheapest educated labor that you can get in India. From doing filings to accounting to compliance, there is no other professional skilled enough to perform these tasks and no other professional paid as less as them. And not to demean any profession, but compare that to a house help. In a tier 1 city like Bangalore, even they can make much more from a single household, or even a basic entry-level data entry operator, even they make more. These are jobs that have a much lower knowledge and intellectual skill threshold. But half CAs do all of that and more for 12 to 14 hours a day, with pays not even enough to cover their commute. And the complicated part in the system is that this rigor cannot even be eliminated, because this is what creates a quality CA. After all, theirs are the signatures that change the direction of a country's economy. So what should an aspiring CA even do if the exam is tough, articleship is tougher, and the work hours the toughest?
भैया फाउंडेशन तो क्लियर हो गया, अब आगे क्या करना है आप बताओ।
बता देता हूँ, चल तो उधर।
अरे वैसे आपका भी तो रिजल्ट आ गया ना, क्या हुआ उसका?
नहीं हुआ यार इस बार भी। ओए, फाइनल्स नहीं निकले, आर्टिकलशिप तक तो बता सकता हूँ।
My name is Lavina Kamath, and here's the full disclosure. So let me start by laying the foundation for you. The journey of becoming a CA consists of 4 major levels. Your journey will start by attempting the CA Foundation exam. This is a relatively easier exam that you can give right after your 12th standard. 4 months of mandated study period, an aggregate score of 50%, an individual subject score greater than 40%, and you can move to the next level. This is the foundation route. There's also a direct entry route with which you can skip level 1 entirely if you decide to pursue CA after graduation. A 55% of aggregate marks would be required if your bachelor's was in the commerce stream and 60% if it was from a non-commerce stream. Then comes level 2, CA Intermediate. Once you've passed the CA Foundation exam, you can register yourself for CA Intermediate, which happens in 2 groups. Group 1 comprising subjects such as accounting, corporate law and taxation, and Group 2 consisting cost accounting, audit and assurance, and financial and strategic management. Now you can either register for both of the groups or just one of the groups, then complete an 8-month study period for the same, sit for the 4-week ICI TSS training, and hope you've passed at least one of the groups, and both if you want to qualify for the next level. Then comes the 2-year articleship, where the patient and persistent are filtered from the weak and unmotivated. This 2-year period will test everything: your grit, your ability to survive with the bare minimum, and of course, your knowledge and skills. This is where your CA journey will be made or broken. You get a good firm and a good CA partner taking you under tutelage, your CA journey becomes a breeze. If you get a small firm with unsupportive partners, you end up with clerical workload, no exposure, and definitely no work-life balance. And did I say next to no money in either of these cases? And when you're able to get through all of these levels, then you will be allowed to sit for the CA finals, which not more than 20% of all test takers will be able to pass. If all goes well, your signature will shape our financial future, your own financial future would be secured, and you will receive massive amounts of respect for having cleared the toughest exam out there.
भैया सच में CA 1 करोड़ तक कमा लेते हैं क्या?
ये कमाने वाले कमा लेते हैं, ऐसे कोई गारंटी नहीं है, होप तो कर ही सकते हैं।
There's never really any guarantee to how much can be made as a CA. You can settle for a salary of 8 to 12 LPA as a fresher, or give up that comfort and set out to build your own practice. And this is true for every other profession as well. A salary can help you sustain, but a business will help you create wealth. And Odoo, our sponsor, will help you build your business. Odoo is an all-in-one business management software that is designed to facilitate and automate the day-to-day management of your business. Odoo offers a set of more than 45 easy-to-use applications ranging from website builder to project management and from CRM to invoicing. Odoo helps you build your business as per the pace of your growing business needs. Like Odoo's accounting app, for example, which is designed to make financial management accessible for entrepreneurs of all levels. With it, you can easily manage your customer and supplier accounts and record your expenses. It can also generate full reports on the financial health of your business. Odoo's intuitive dashboard helps you easily track payments and automatically follow up on late payment. And it is just as convenient to use on your mobile screens as well. Not only that, Odoo Accounting is adapted to local taxation policies such as TDS and GST, which means you can be assured that your business complies with your current local regulations. You can sync your bank accounts for real-time tracking, see your key finances and more, all with just a few clicks. It doesn't matter if you're just learning the rules of business or are a seasoned and professional. Odoo will adapt and scale with your growing business. With its suite of 45 apps designed specially to cater to your business needs, Odoo helps you centralize and manage your business from a single platform. The first Odoo app is free for life with unlimited hosting and support. With Odoo, you can finally say goodbye to financial headaches and hello to peaceful management of your business. You can check the link in the description and the pinned comment to check out their website. Now back to the video. If you're not able to pass the CA finals, you will have a choice to make, to either give up and pursue something else. But if you've come so far and dedicated so many years, naturally you would not want to quit just yet. And so most likely you'll choose option 2. You'll attempt CA finals again, continuing the same articleship, which is now converted to a low-paying job with no time for you to study, all in hopes of reading the congratulatory mail that you are now a CA.
देख, इस सबसे पहले तुझे खुद से ये पूछना होगा कि तू सीए बनना भी क्यों चाहता है।
भैया पैसा है कितना?
The race to become a CA is the race to earn the most money. CAs can not only earn a lot of money if they know what they're doing, but they can also have multiple steady streams of income. Post clearing your CA exams, you could either join a job with the big 4 firms or a private firm or a startup. So if you want to become a CA to earn money, your ambitions are not misplaced.
पैसा है और
रिस्पेक्ट है। पापा भी प्राउडली बोलेंगे कि उनका बेटा सीए बन गया और सोसाइटी रिस्पेक्ट करेगी। अरे भैया बड़े घर में शादी होगी।
और दहेज तो है ही।
अरे क्या भैया।
CAs are among the most respected professionals in the country. And in India, the amount of respect you command decides your life, your wife, and well, everything else.
जॉब सिक्योरिटी भी है और सीए तो हर बिजनेस को चाहिए होता है।
There is money to be made, respect to be claimed, and there is a huge scope for CAs in the future. But despite all of this, the interest in the course has been decreasing in the past decade. Even the 4 lakh registered CAs that we have, only 1.6 lakh of them are practicing CAs. Rest have been absorbed by the system via jobs at various firms. There are currently 8.5 lakh registered students pursuing CA at different levels of this course. But how many will finally be able to be called a CA after all of this? About 10 to 20,000 on average only. And most of them will then choose to do a job.
The premise on which this institute was founded was to be a job giver, not a job seeker.
So what's stopping CA aspirants from utilizing the full potential of the course?
देख, तुझे अभी सिर्फ पॉजिटिव चीज़ें दिख रही हैं और इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है। बाहर से सिर्फ पॉजिटिव ही दिखता है। मैं तेरे को डिमोटिवेट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, बट दूसरा साइड भी जान ले।
Number 1, the course is too convoluted. Just take a look at this diagram. Each level has multiple levels and conditions before you could qualify for the next stage. And being convoluted wouldn't alone have been a strong enough reason if there was not so much interdependence. You could have cleared group 1, but you can't start your articleship before clearing the second group. Or you could have passed the aggregate but failed one of the subjects and you go back to square one. There's too many conditions to satisfy before getting that prestigious CA designation to your name. And aspirants thus remain stuck in the system as half CAs, underpaid and overexploited.
इंटर के दोनों ग्रुप निकल गए, आर्टिकलशिप खत्म हो गई, बट सीए फाइनल्स ही नहीं निकल रहा। मुझे भी 3 अटेम्प्ट हो गए, तू भी देख ही रहा है। ना ये छुट्टी देते हैं, ना सीए फाइनल्स के लिए पढ़ पाता हूँ। साल निकलते जा रहे हैं।
And number 2, the articleship itself. On paper, the CA articleship is the most important part of the CA curriculum and training. Unlike most other courses that deal mostly in theory, the CA articleship ensures that the aspiring CA receives practical work experience, exposure, and professional mentorship from an actual CA. A CA is as good as his articleship. No amount of reading theory can simulate a real-life case where you not only have to navigate the case, but also the client. In reality, the articleship turns out to be the most grueling and sometimes the most unfair time in a CA aspirant's journey. On paper, you will have a practicing CA mentoring you. In reality, you'll have a firm or a partner dumping clerical work onto you. Now, I'm not saying this is the case everywhere, but it is more common than not.
मैं तो डमी आर्टिकलशिप कर लूँगा। 3-4 हज़ार सैलरी देंगे, 60 घंटे काम कराएंगे, उससे अच्छा तो मैं फाइनल्स की प्रिपरेशन कर लूँ.
And so, many candidates look for dummy articleships where they can get enrolled with a firm on paper but never actually practice during their articles. And the result? Better chances of clearing CA finals but never being taken seriously as a CA.
See, I'll never recommend dummy articleship. डमी करके तो सीए बन भी जाएगा तो 1 महीने में एक्सपोज हो जाएगा.
अगर मैंने प्रॉपर आर्टिकलशिप करी और फाइनल्स नहीं निकला तो
So, leaving the few that clear CA finals in their first couple attempts with proper articleships, you get a crowd of CA aspirants capable and technically skilled enough to become CAs who remain stuck at a similar firm performing all the duties of a CA except for signing the statements for the price of a laborer. Now, this doesn't mean that you should not try to finish this journey, but it's good to know this before starting the journey. Or if you're somewhere in this journey, knowing when to stop. Your career is a marathon, not a 5-year sprint. There's no point knowing everything that a CA knows, but not commanding the same money, respect, or influence. After all, the signature really does matter. My name is Lavina Kamath, and this was the Full Disclosure on CAs.